Purble Place is a game for children developed by Oberon Games for Microsoft. It is an educational and entertaining game that comprises of 3 distinct games. The collection has a single home screen that offers 3 packs of games: Purble Pairs, Comfy Cakes, and Purble Shop. These games will help in improving children's memory, reasoning skills, and hand-eye coordination. They also learn about colors, shape, and pattern recognition. Start Purble Place. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Double-click on Games. Step 3. Double-click on Purble Place icon. Step 4. Click on the desired icon of your choice. Purble Place in Games. Purble Pairs. Purble Place is a pattern recognition and memory game. The aim is to find out identical pictures before the time is out. When you click on a tile, it flips and shows a picture. You have to search match for it. As the skill level progresses, the game becomes timed, the grid size increases, and more similar pictures are used. Comfy Cake. Comfy Cake is a hand-eye coordination game. The aim of this game is to make a batch of cake according to the customer's order. Elements of the cake include shapes, flavor of batter, filling, optional icing, and other decorations. The customers are particular about the shape, batters, icing, and decorations. If the cake does not match the order, the cake gets thrown in the trash. If the player sent 3 incorrect order, the game is over. Purble Shop. Purble Shop is a code breaker game. The computer decides the color of up to 3 features: eyes, nose, lips, that are concealed from the player. Any color may be used for any feature, and a color can be used once, several times, for not used at all. The player then attempts to guess the correct feature colors in a limited number of moves. This will help Purple to get new face. Saving and quitting the game. If you want to finish the game, click on Close button on the title bar. An exit game window will appear. Click on the options of your choice.